This is the story of how busy New Yorkers made a ripple in the global water crisis by touching this beautiful glass. We took over Grand Central with a kinetic sculpture that gave New Yorkers a moment to stop and reflect. This is Water Ripples by Stella Artois, a towering 36-foot reflective interactive space housing 600 suspended physical droplets powered by human touch. It was designed to make tangible the impact one person can have by providing water access to someone in need. Each Chalice purchase provided 5 years of clean water and invited New Yorkers to set off their own personal ripple. Water-inspired sequences immersed visitors in a mesmerizing and optimistic moment, enhanced by an ever-changing soundscape in sync with the movement of each sequence. We captured a unique video of the experience so participants could share it with the world. People were inspired.
I thought it gave me a moment to stop and reflect. It was really special.
Thousands of beautiful ripples were created. Matt Damon, co-founder of Water.org, made a ripple too. On average, visitors bought a chalice every 2 minutes during the 4 days of the installation. ArtNet called Water Ripples one of the must-see art public installations in New York City. And, most importantly, thousands of lives were touched by the ripple effect of our World Water Day initiative.